Have you ever pondered the possibility of extraterrestrial life existing, not just in our universe, but across multiple dimensions? The concept of extraterrestrial life has always been a source of fascination and intrigue. It's a question that pulls at the very fabric of our understanding of the cosmos. Are we alone in the universe? Or are there beings from other worlds, perhaps even other dimensions, sharing this cosmic journey with us? When we think of aliens, we often envision beings from distant galaxies traveling through the vast expanses of space. We imagine civilizations far advanced than ours, with technology that defies our understanding of physics. But what if we expanded this concept even further? What if the existence of extraterrestrial life extends not just across the universe, but across multiple dimensions? The idea of multiple dimensions is not a new one. It's a concept deeply rooted in the fields of physics and mathematics, and it's been explored extensively in the realm of science fiction. But what does it mean in practical terms? In essence, a dimension is a direction in which we can move that is perpendicular to all other directions we can move in. We live in a three-dimensional world where we can move up and down, left and right, forward and backward. But what if there are more dimensions than these three? Dimensions that we cannot perceive or comprehend, but which exist nonetheless. If we accept the possibility of multiple dimensions, then we also open up the possibility of life existing in these dimensions. Extraterrestrial beings that not only inhabit distant galaxies, but also different planes of existence. This is a concept that challenges our understanding of life and the universe. It invites us to think beyond our limited perception and to embrace the limitless possibilities that the cosmos holds. Now that we've opened our minds to this fascinating possibility, it's time to dive deeper into what these multiple dimensions could entail. Imagine a reality where our universe is not alone, but one of many in a grand multiverse. How does that sound? Let's dive into the concept of multiple dimensions, or the multiverse. It's an idea that has intrigued and perplexed scientists and thinkers alike. It's a theory that suggests that there are other universes beyond our own, each existing in different dimensions. The concept of a multiverse is not new. The ancient Greek philosopher Epicurus proposed the idea of an infinite number of universes, each with its own laws of nature. But the theory gained traction in the 20th century when physicists started to explore the quantum world. One of the most fascinating theories that suggests the existence of multiple dimensions is string theory. It posits that the fundamental particles in our universe are not zero-dimensional points, but one-dimensional strings. These strings vibrate at different frequencies, and these vibrations give rise to the particles we know, like electrons and quarks. But here's the kicker. String theory suggests that there are at least 10 dimensions, and we can only perceive 4, 3 of space and 1 of time. But what about the other 6? Well, string theory suggests that they're compactified or hidden from us in some way. Imagine a tightrope walker. To them, the rope is a one-dimensional line, but to an ant on the rope, there is another dimension it can move around, the circumference of the rope. Then there's the idea of parallel universes, a popular trope in science fiction. These are said to be universes that exist simultaneously with our own, each differing in various ways. Maybe in one universe you're a world-renowned scientist. In another, dinosaurs never went extinct. The possibilities are endless. And so, with this understanding of multiple dimensions, we can now explore how aliens might fit into this complex picture. Could they be living among us, unseen, in these hidden dimensions? Or perhaps they exist in a parallel universe, living lives as varied and complex as our own. The possibilities are mind-boggling, and the search for answers continues. With this understanding of multiple dimensions, we can now explore how aliens might fit into this complex picture. In a world of infinite possibilities, could there be aliens living in these multiple dimensions? Consider for a moment a reality where the conventional laws of physics as we know them aren't the only game in town. A reality where dimensions beyond our own three-dimensional world exist and are teeming with life. Yes, we're talking about the possibility of aliens existing in multiple dimensions. Now, before we delve into this thought-provoking concept, let's briefly clarify what we mean by dimensions. In the context of this discussion, dimensions refer to the different aspects of reality. We live in a three-dimensional world with length, width and height as our spatial dimensions, plus time as the fourth dimension. But what if there are more? String theory, a popular concept in theoretical physics, suggests there could be as many as 10 dimensions. If that's the case, there's a whole lot of reality we're incapable of perceiving. So let's ponder on this. If life exists in these extra dimensions, what might it look like? The truth is, it's almost impossible to conceive. The physical laws in these dimensions could be vastly different from our own, meaning life as we know it might not apply. These beings could exist as pure energy, or as forms of matter that are completely foreign to us. They might not experience time in the same linear fashion we do. Perhaps they see all of time at once, or maybe they can traverse time as easily as we walk down the street. Their behaviors too could be as alien as their forms, with modes of communication, perception, and interaction that are beyond our comprehension. We often imagine aliens as humanoid creatures, or at least as physical beings, similar to the life forms we encounter on Earth. But if we open our minds to the endless possibilities of a multidimensional universe, the potential for alien life becomes far more diverse and fascinating. And so, it's not just about whether aliens exist, but where, how, and in what form they exist. These potential multidimensional aliens could be far more diverse and fascinating than anything we've ever imagined. What could the existence of multidimensional aliens imply for us humans? A question that piques curiosity and opens a Pandora's box of possibilities. The implications of multidimensional alien existence are far-reaching, spanning across scientific, philosophical, and even existential realms. From a scientific perspective, the existence of multidimensional aliens could trigger a paradigm shift in our understanding of the universe. It would challenge and expand the laws of physics as we know them. Our current understanding is based on 4 dimensions, 3 of space and 1 of time. But if aliens exist in multiple dimensions simultaneously, it means there are dimensions beyond our current understanding, waiting to be explored. We would need to devise new ways to study and understand these extra dimensions, potentially revolutionizing our scientific knowledge and technological capabilities. Philosophically, it could prompt us to reconsider our place in the universe. If there are beings that exist in multiple dimensions simultaneously, it would mean we are not the pinnacle of existence. We are not alone, and we are not the most advanced. We are just a small part of a much larger, more complex multiverse. This realization could be humbling and enlightening, prompting us to re-evaluate our self-centric view of the universe. On an existential level, the existence of multidimensional aliens could challenge what it means to be alive. If life can exist in multiple dimensions, it could mean that our perception of life is limited and simplistic. It could redefine our understanding of consciousness, existence, and reality itself. It might even provoke us to question whether we too exist in multiple dimensions without realizing it. The implications of multidimensional alien existence are vast and profound. It would not only reshape our understanding of the universe, but also challenge our sense of self and our perception of reality. It could be a gateway to new scientific discoveries, philosophical insights, and existential revelations. The existence of multidimensional aliens could redefine our perception of life, universe, and everything beyond. So, where does this leave us in our quest to understand the universe and the potential life it may harbour? In this exploration, we've delved into the intriguing, the mysterious, and the downright mind-bending. We've journeyed through the concept of a multidimensional universe, a theory that challenges our conventional understanding of reality and invites us to contemplate the cosmos on a much grander scale. We've considered the possibility of alien life existing not just in our 3-dimensional universe, but across multiple dimensions. These beings, if they do exist, might be as curious about us as we are about them. They could be observing us right now, from a vantage point beyond our comprehension, hidden in the folds of a higher dimension. We've also speculated on the implications of such a reality. How would our understanding of life, the universe, and our place in it change if we were to confirm the existence of multidimensional aliens? Would it shatter our perception of reality, or would it merely expand it, opening up new avenues for exploration and discovery? This possibility could also alter how we approach the search for extraterrestrial life. Our efforts may need to extend beyond the 3 dimensions we're familiar with, venturing into the uncharted territories of higher dimensions. The tools and techniques we use to scour the cosmos may need to evolve, becoming as multidimensional as the entities we're seeking. Yet, as tantalizing as these thoughts are, They remain, for now, in the realm of speculation. Our understanding of the universe is still in its infancy, and the existence of multiple dimensions and multidimensional aliens is yet to be confirmed. But isn't that the beauty of exploration? The thrill of not knowing what's around the corner, or in this case, what's lurking in the next dimension. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the universe, we might one day discover that we are not alone, not just in our universe, but across a multitude of dimensions.